Good morning, all my dear children. At first, I congratulate you that all of you done very well in science online test. Many of them scored full marks. It shows your sincere effort, and I glad to know that you are studying seriously at home and practice daily. Today, I am going to continue chapter 7, and the name of the chapter is food. Food is our basic need. This is very interesting chapter, children. As you know, today we are facing very major disease, that is COVID-19. And nowadays doctor advise to eat healthy food to increase your immunity and stay healthy and safe. Children, when you are hungry, what do? You eat food. Where do we get food? We get food from plants and animals. Children, what is food? Food is something that we eat or drink to stay alive. Why do we need food? We need food to stay alive, to get energy, to obtain nutrients, to develop a healthy and active body, and to repair our body. Children, do you know all living beings need food? Why all living beings need food? Because food gives us energy for doing activities, studying, playing, walking, talking, etc. Some of the energy is also used to help us grow. Do you know, children? Food contains nutrients. These nutrients are fats, protein, carbohydrate, minerals and vitamins. These nutrients have different function and are found in different food items. They are important for our body in various ways. The food that we eat should provide various nutrients to our body so that we stay healthy and strong. On the basis of nutrients, we divide food into 3 categories. First is energy giving food, next bodybuilding food, and next is protective food. Now come to the energy giving food. Energy giving food is also called as fuel for our body and are rich in carbohydrate and fats. Carbohydrate food items such as cereals, rice, wheat and corn, etc. and vegetables such as potatoes gives a lot of energy. They contain carbohydrate. Food items rich in carbohydrates are called energy giving food. People who do lot of physical work such as laborers, farmers and sport person need a lot of carbohydrate to give them more energy. Now come to the fats. Food items such as nuts, oil, ghee and butter are rich in fats. They provide more energy than food items rich in carbohydrates. They also help to keep the body warm. Our body needs very little fat. Extra fat is stored in the body for later use. Do you know, children, 1 gram of carbohydrate gives about 4 kilocalories of energy, while 1 gram of fat gives about 9 kilocalories of energy. Now come to the bodybuilding foods. Food items such as milk, cheese, egg, fish, meat, beans, pulses, etc. are rich in protein. Food items rich in proteins are called bodybuilding foods. They needed for growth and repair our body and also for building muscles. Young children need more protein rich food and adults than adults because they are still growing. Now come to the next protective food. Vitamin and minerals come in this group. Food items such as fresh fruits and vegetables like milk, eggs, peanuts, etc. are rich in vitamin and minerals. They protect us from disease and keep us fit and healthy. They are also called protective foods because they protect our body from diseases. Children, different types of vitamins and minerals I will discuss in next class tomorrow. That's all for today. Your classwork is draw all bodybuilding foods and write their names and write all do you know from page number 52. And your homework is write the answer of these questions. First question is name the nutrients present in energy giving food. Second question is state the main role of protein for our body. And third question is name the food items obtained from animals that are good sources of protein. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.